The GE Appliances WB06X10420 turntable motor coupler is a genuine OEM, original equipment manufacturer, part designed and engineered to exact specifications. Replacement GE Appliances microwave turntable motor coupler connects the turntable motor to the turntable tray, providing tray rotation. GE Appliances WB06X10420 microwave turntable motor coupler is approximately 1.5 in diameter. High-quality GE Appliances OEM WB06X10420 microwave turntable motor coupler is manufactured with premium materials for durability and exact fit. Be sure to follow instructions in owner's manual when installing this part. Repair your appliance with confidence when you choose genuine GE Appliances parts accessories. This high-quality genuine OEM GE Appliances turntable motor coupler, WB06X10420, connects the turntable motor to the turntable tray, providing tray rotation. The turntable motor coupler is approximately 1.5 in diameter. Please be aware that it is recommended to disconnect the appliance from all utilities prior to installation of the turntable motor coupler. Top reviews from the United States. Exact part. Turntable coupler is a must. Foods heat unevenly without it. The original, 2005, part broke apart under a weighty load. The microwave cooks unevenly without the turntable function. Certain foods can be cooked without the turntable running, very few, and won't get hot spots or burn, but the majority do better with it. This replacement is exactly the same as the original piece in our old GE microwave. Easy to find the orientation of the motor half shaft by feel, although it took a little force to get the small wedge-shaped tab through the hole. Luckily, the part is made of strong material.